Hello everyone. Look. Today, сегодня, and yesterday, вчера. Today, I am in the playground. You are in the playground. He, she, it is in the playground. We are in the playground and they are in the playground. Yesterday, I was in the playground. You were in the playground. He, she, it was in the playground. We were in the playground and they were in the playground. Shop. Today I am in the shop. You are in the shop. He, she, it is in the shop. We, they are in the shop. Yesterday. Yesterday, I was in the shop. You were in the shop. He, she, it was in the shop. We, they were in the shop. At home. Today, I am at home. You are at home. He, she, it is at home. We, they are at home. Yesterday. I was at home yesterday. You were at home yesterday. He, she, it was at home yesterday. We, they were at home yesterday. At the cinema. Today, I am at the cinema. You are at the cinema today. He, she, it is at the cinema today. We, they are at the cinema today. Yesterday. I was at the cinema yesterday. You were at the cinema yesterday. He, she, it was at the cinema yesterday. We, they were at the cinema yesterday. At the amusement park. Today, I am at the amusement park. You are at the amusement park. He, she, it is at the amusement park. We, they are at the amusement park. Yesterday. I was at the amusement park yesterday. You were at the amusement park yesterday. He, she, it was at the amusement park yesterday. We, they were at the amusement park yesterday.